Hi there, this is Andrew at 20i. One of the key benefits of HostShop is that it allows you to resell domain names at a click of a button. This means that, as a reseller, in addition, you can resell domain names with your 20i reseller domain discount. Some of these domain prices are at a wholesale price, giving you the opportunity to make as much profit margin as possible. To set the prices for the domain names you wish to sell, you'll first need to make sure that you're logged into the my.20i control panel. Once you're logged in, you'll then need to make sure that you head to the HostShop section, and then here, you'll then want to select the product catalogs icon. Once the page loads, you'll then want to select the domain names tab. From this point, you can then add and set prices for TLDs that you wish to sell. In our example, we're going to select the Add Popular TLDs button, which will automatically add the most popular TLDs that we currently sell. You'll notice right away that the prices have already been set. This is because we have the guideline pricing checkbox enabled. So we've pre-populated the price for registration, renewals, and the price for a transfer to be our recommended price. If you would like to customize a specific price, as we're doing so here, just uncheck the guideline pricing checkbox and you'll then be able to add your own custom price. Now, if we head on over to our HostShop installation and then we select the domain name section, you can then search for any of the TLDs that you've made available for purchase, which will then be registerable to any customers who visit your site. We hope this has helped. If you have any further questions, please get in touch.